Oh, buddy, you're kind of in the way. You're kind of in the way. Raymond, come on, bud. That is too much. Okay. I want to be involved as well. Is that what's going on? Yeah. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Poundland haul. I went in there in yesterday's video and I picked up a bunch of things. I have filled my bag with things. I'm sorry, the dog wants to be a part of the video, okay, today. So say hello to Roman. He's just chilling. We've put the throws out. He can have a nice time. So yeah, I picked up some Eastery bits in there because they actually have some really nice bits. Whilst I was in there as well, I decided, you know what, whip out the camera, film what was in there too. So if you want to see the things that are out at the moment in Poundland, then that video is already waiting for you. You can go ahead and watch that. But today I'm doing a little haul. I did also go to the charity shops today and I picked up some bits in there. So a charity shop haul will be coming soon as well. Anyway, so the prices were a little bit all over the place whilst I was in there. If you watched the come shop with me video, you will see that things were like labelled differently to what, well, the labels on the things were, and then yeah, some things were labelled differently in different packets. I did ask for a receipt, so let me find that a second. Right at the bottom of the bag, there we go, receipt. So at least I can tell you exactly what they scanned through at and everything like that. Anyway, starting off, I had a Pepsi Max Cherry. Do you know what? I do. I forgot I bought that. I bought that because I needed a drink, and now I've since got this drink out of the fridge since I got home, the Iron Brew ice cream. It's quite nice, it's all right, but I picked up a Pepsi Max Cherry for £1. Then picked up a greenery stem for £1. This here was just in the faux kind of flower section, but I'm going to be doing a DIY with this, okay? Stay tuned to see this. It is quite plasticky in nature, but it's going to work perfectly for something that I have in mind. So first of all, we have this. It has kind of got wire in place so you can bend them, but for £1, that's good. Anyway, this the next bit, oh, that's really annoying. The guy charged me for 3 of those. Well, I only bought 2 of these Easter twig sticks. I assume they're from the previous year, but these here scanned through at 50p. They were supposed to be £1.50. I was expecting them to go through at 75p. See my hand shaking there? That's because this stuff was so heavy bringing it home. But yeah, this one here, I really like this one. I like the little bits of foliage in there. Again, I'm going to be using those for a DIY. I might deconstruct this, I might not. I think it's quite nice actually. So we've got the sage green eggies on this one, and then I picked this one up, which is here. Look at that. See, we've got like the purple bits on this one, and this one here, again, it says £1.50, but it's scanned through at 50p. I'm not quite sure why I've got 3 of those. In fact, one of them might have been these, because it's come through as Christmas twigs, but I'm not seeing this on there, so that might be what went through as the other one. So this is a tulip bouquet, 5 tulips it says. It's not, you know, anything outstanding, but I thought that they were really nice, like a nice little subtle colour. I'm not sure where this bow's come from. Is that supposed to be on there? No clue, but yeah. Is there 5 tulips? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's also 6 tulips, so nobody knows. But again, this here says £1 on there, and it's scanned through at 50p. In fact, on the back it says batch from 2023, so that might have just been in there for a while. I did dig through the flower bunch a few bits, but that's really nice, isn't it? I really like the colours on that one. So the next thing I picked up on my receipt, £1 tinsel carrot. I did pick one up. So they had eggs of these in there as well. Just picked up this one. It was like a little bit floppy, just chucked to the side. Assume someone just pinged that off. I'm going to be DIYing this. This isn't to my kind of taste. It might be for yours, that's fine. It's very like, I don't know, it's fun, isn't it, to be honest? But yeah, like I said, I'm going to be DIYing this. On the backs, things seem to have the price on Easter 1. I did get a bit confused when it came to the Easter egg cups. They said Easter 1 on, but then the ticket said £2, and I'm assuming if it says Easter 1, it's going to be £1. That's kind of the like pricing tag bit that they did at Christmas. So maybe if I look online, I would actually get the answer to that rather than just saying it. But yeah, I picked up this. We're going to do DIY with this, so stay tuned, okay? I think it's going to work out well in my mind. Anyway, next on my little receipt, Easter wreath. Paint your own Easter wreath, which is this one. This here, very cute. Again, this here I'm going to DIY. It came with a little set of paints. Am I going to use those? No, so I'll just set those aside, put it with, you know, little crafty bits for my nieces and nephews. Very cute. It's like a nice little small size. I just, yes, it is what it is, really. Just a thin ply with a little laser engraving on there. Again, it would be cute if you were, you know, doing some DIYs with kids. So anyway, next on my list, that one there, LED wooden rabbit string lights, and that is these. Again, on the back, Easter 2, because it was £2. I saw these online actually, and I thought that they were really, really sweet. So let's open those up together. I think these would be a gorgeous little base for a DIY, like painting them up in like some sage greens, maybe some stony colours, and I think that's exactly what I'm going to do for mine, and I'll do that with you guys. Why not? You could even put some little words on there. These are adorable. So little battery pack there for 2 AA batteries, and then this is what they look like, just little wooden rabbits with hearts on, and then obviously the little LEDs are just poking through the side there, just in case anyone wants to see that. That would be a great addition to a wreath or to a garland. They did have some £3 Easter garlands in the store that I went to. So the store that I went to was the Red Wreath one. I just came over because I had to go for a blood test this morning. Oh, feels like one of the ones that bruised as well, so good luck to me and my arm, but I did have a good time at the charity shops at the same time, so that was all well and good. But yeah, these are very cute. I think, like I said, they can be gorgeous as they are, like added onto a wreath or a garland, or maybe just hung up like along a TV unit or something, maybe even a granite lintel or a fireplace if you've got them. But I think to dull them down a little bit and like to make them blend in, some sage greens, some stony colours on there, some nice neutrals would really elevate them just a little bit more rather than being white as well. So I think that's what I'm going to do with mine. Next on here, we've got carrots from the DIY section at £1. Always only scan that once. I definitely got 2 packs of those. Oh, it's like I stole one, but I went to a guy and there is only one of those. So yeah, I got 2 packets. So these were a pack each, £1 each, I think, anyway, unless these were half price and I just got 2 of them. I mean, Lord only knows at this point, but these are really, really nice ones actually. So they're just polystyrene base. I've DIY'd these on my channel before. They're really easy to DIY, but for £1 you can't make them cheaper than that, honestly. So base of polystyrene, twine wrapped around, but the tops of these are almost like straw, kind of, instead of like felt or paper or like foam. In fact, they might be paper, but let's just open them up and have a little look, because some of them are like really, really plasticky at the top and I don't really like that. So let's look at these. Yeah, they're like a natural top. Do you see that? They're nice and close up there. Dried out. There they are. Beautiful little carrots. So these here, I think I'm about putting them on a garland. They'd be great again on like a little wreath, or put with a little bunny decoration, maybe like a little prim bunny that you might make, and then use these. I think that there's all sorts of ways of styling them. I bought 2 packets because I thought actually a nice little mini garland would be gorgeous. Again, you could make a little garland with these carrots on and then incorporate those little bunny lights all on one string. That would be lovely, wouldn't it? So I got 2 packs of those. And then finally, I just picked up one of those little wreaths that I said about buying in there. Now, it's called these a wreath. I wouldn't call this a wreath. I'd call this like a candle thing. Like, you know, when you get a pillar candle and you pop that in, that would be gorgeous. Or even like a little flower pot in there with some like foliage coming out or something. Or maybe even, you know, like the bunny in the tin that I made recently on my channel, like popping the tin in there with the bunny coming out of it. That would be so cute. But this here is beautiful. They did also have a blue colorway instead of the yellow, and I really like that. But I thought actually I've got quite a few little faux flowers that I picked up anyway, so I just popped one of these ones in my basket. And again, like I said, I am going to be DIYing with this, I reckon. I might just style it up, because now that I've said that, I think that would be lovely with a little prim on it. But yeah, all in all, I think that's quite nice. The only thing I don't like about it is the fact that they used a cable tie just to keep the ends together. That doesn't look great, does it? No. Oh no, it does not. I've only just realised that. So maybe we will deconstruct it anyway, but That's pretty. I like it. The colours of it are gorgeous. If yellow's not really your thing, then like I said, they did have the blue ones in there. I do prefer this yellow colour. I love a yellow mini egg. Well, they're not the same anymore, but I used to love a yellow Cadbury mini egg, and we can keep the thing alive. Oh, that's really nice, isn't it? But all in all, that's all I picked up from Poundland. I'm really happy with all the bits. All in all, I spent £11.50 on all of this stuff, which I think is an absolute steal. And again, like with my spring decor and Easter decor, Christmas decor, all of that, I do save my pieces from year after year. So I'm going to get out my Easter decor, see what bits I already have, and then go from there. I think that will be quite fun. Usually I clear some bits out before I bring the bits back in, but I did buy this stuff already. So if you want to see how I DIY it, stay tuned, because that will be the next video coming, because I'm going to get on it ASAP, because at the moment I've got so many unfinished products, like oh my goodness, projects, like on my Japan video. Yes, that is coming, and I have some bits from a charity shop that I intend to haul and stuff as well, so that will be coming, and I want to stay quite on it with projects. So the Poundland DIY one will be next, because I don't want to sit this stuff in a bag and then forget about it. I did that with Mother's Day. I filmed 2 whole Mother's Day DIY videos, never got around to actually editing the videos, so I did all the work, nobody's seen them. So this will be coming next, and yeah, then a charity shop haul to show you all the bits I've been picking up, and then how I'm going to be DIYing them. I'm thrilled. Just a little sneak peeks, they're all in the same bag. I've got this frame, and look at this frame. Oh, that's beautiful. I picked up like this little basket and stuff, but we're not going to get into that right now, okay? So anyway, hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you wanted to see the full range of like the Eastery stuff in Poundland, then that would have been yesterday's video that I filmed this morning, but I would have posted that yesterday. Anyway, hopefully have a fantastic day, and I shall see you very soon for another video.